If you give me 45 seconds, I'm gonna share with you my biggest Instagram secret. And if you stick around for a little bit longer, I'll share with you my exact tools, strategies, and Instagram plan. But let's get back to my secret. If you wanna learn how to get more followers and turn them into customers, you must stay consistent. You need to show up every day and create posts that show off your business. But I get it. This is hard to do without a plan. But I have good news. Insta180 is your complete Instagram for business class. It walks you through how to get more followers, like Whitney DeMaria, who blew my mind from going from 100 followers to 2,000 followers in 6 months. And you'll get more customers, like Liz Pinto, who got 5,000 new followers in a few months and also booked 7 weddings. And more engagement, like Liz Hayslip, who gained 4,500 followers and went from 100 likes on a photo to more than 600 likes per photo. And here's what Whitney and both of the Liz's learned about their Instagram accounts. They needed to define who they wanted to attract and how to engage with them. And lastly, how to take the right photos and post them on Instagram. And they learned all of this in Insta180. So this is my personal invitation for you to join me in this online class. I would be honored to show you how to get more followers, more customers, and more engagement on Instagram. I'll see you on the inside.